बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय क्लास. टुडे आवर टॉपिक इज molecular asymmetry, symmetry, chirality and enantiomer. In 1848, Louis Pasteur observed some optical active compounds and see that they come in the different types of crystal. When the aqueous solution of these optical active compound is seen, they show the different types of optical activity. Means ki one crystal show dextrorotatory and other will levorotatory. He observed that this difference is due to the spatial arrangement of atom in that molecule. So the stereochemistry is come at that point in the mind, and the object is observed in the respect with symmetry, asymmetry. Now we come to the asymmetric and symmetric object. As we know, the object which is exactly divided into two equal halves is called symmetrical object, and each symmetrical object has a line of symmetry which is divided into two equal halves, or we can say the mirror image of, if the mirror image of one object is exactly equal to the other, then it is called symmetrical object, or the mirror image of one object superpose the mirror image of their object, then it is called symmetrical object. For example, circle, triangle, square, we can divide it into two equal half and their mirror image also superpose. Let's see, this is a circle. This is a circle which is divided into exactly two halves, and their mirror image is also superpose each other. This is called line of symmetry, and this object is called symmetrical object. Now we come to the asymmetrical object which cannot be divided into two equal halves. For example, our hands. This is not divided into two equal halves, and the mirror image of our hand of our hand is not superpose each other, so this is called asymmetrical object. Now the word chirality is also used for this asymmetrical object. A chiral compound is that which is not symmetrical, means which is asymmetrical. So the word asymmetrical is used for chiral. For the asymmetrical, we use chiral compound which is not, the mirror image of the object is not superpose each other, is called chiral compound, and the mirror image of the object which superpose each other are called achiral. Now this is clear that chiral compound is asymmetrical and achiral is symmetrical. Now we come to see this chirality in the point of organic compound. In organic compound, each compound is made up of carbon. In molecule of organic compound, if any one carbon has, at least one carbon has all the four valency attached to the different atom, is called chiral compound, and that carbon atom is called chiral center or enantiose center. For example, we take two examples to clear this. One is propane 2-ol and other is butane 2-ol. The structure of propane 2-ol is and butane 2-ol. Here, this carbon has 4 valency, is not attached with different carbon. This is different compound, this is the same compound. So it is a achiral compound. And butane 2-ol has 4 valency attached to different atoms. So it is chiral compound. And this carbon is called chiral center, and this is about chirality and asymmetry. Now we come to the point enantiomer. Enantiomer is the optical isomer which mirror images non-superimpose each other. The optical isomers which mirror images not superimpose each other are called enantiomer. And this phenomena is called enantioisomerism, and due to which they may be dextrorotatory or liborotatory. The physical property of enantiomer, such as melting point, boiling point, refractive index, are same, but they are differ with each other only in the respect of optical activity. If one is dextrorotatory and other is liborotatory, that means if one compound rotates the plane polarized light in right hand side, the other rotate the light the same magnitude in different direction. So enantiomer only differ with each other with respect to their rotation in plane polarized light. Now we come to the another topic, racemization. This is a small topic and maybe discuss in your exam. Racemization, racemic mixture. If the two enantiomer is mixed each other and a mixture is prepared, their optical activity will be zero, because one rotates exactly in the opposite direction to the other. So the rotation of the plane polarized light will be zero and the compound will prepare which optical activity is zero. This type of mixture is called racemic mixture and it is denoted by plus minus. For example, written plus minus butane 2-ol. Because it is a chiral compound, it shows enantiomerism and maybe dextrorotatory or liborotatory if they both are mixed in the mixture. And we write this mixture with plus and minus sign, and the compound is named this. This is racemic mixture of butane. This shows that this is the racemic mixture of butane. Thank you.